It's often good to start with your expectations. What do you want to get from our sessions? Were you worried about coming? Seeing a new therapist can be challenging. Take your time.
Sorry, what are you doing?
I always find a little sing-along helps get things moving.
No way. Are you serious? All right, okay, stop. What would you like to know?
Let's start with home. You've been back a week. How's it been?
Hard. I thought I was going to come back to a fresh start. Everything's exactly the same. All the people are exactly the same.
You mean your family?
Dad, ex-boyfriend, sister.
Tell me about them.
Oh, my sister's 17. Getting her exam results back today. Should have seen her this morning. She was white as a sheet. My dad's going on about university and how it's the first day of the rest of her life.
And here you are, stuck with me. It must be hard.
It's no excuse, though.
What for?
Wanting her to fail.